Want us to draw for you? Just provide a blueprint or sketch, and we'll create professional 2D and 3D floor plans that you can download and print, and a complete RoomSketcher project. You can easily edit your floor plans in the RoomSketcher app, plus experience them in interactive live 3D, from above or right inside. To place an order, just head over to the RoomSketcher website on a computer, tablet, or phone and click Sign In. To start the order, click New Project and then Order Floor Plans, and follow the steps. Add your project name, specify the number of levels or floors, and choose your furnishing. Where furnish is indicated means you would like to include the furniture you have on your sketch or blueprint. Fully furnished means that the illustrators furnish the project using typical furniture for the room types on the blueprint. And for unfurnished, you will get doors, windows, stairs, plus fixed installations like kitchen and bathroom fixtures when they're indicated on the blueprint. Check Outside Measurements if you would like measurements on the outside of your 2D floor plans. Then click Next. This is where you upload your blueprints. Each floor or level needs its own blueprint. Make sure there's at least one measurement on each blueprint to get the scale right. You can type a level name here. And if you're uploading a multi-page PDF, type the page number for the blueprint. Then click Upload Blueprint. Locate the blueprint and click Open. When you see your blueprint, click Next. Here's your order summary. You can review it, then click Place Order. You'll receive an email when the order is complete. All completed projects can be found in your projects list in your web account and in the RoomSketcher app. Just click Menu, Open, and here they are. It's easy to edit your floor plan in the app if you want to make changes. Choose your project. Make any changes you want. I'll switch to Walls mode and change this room name from bedroom to office. When you've made all your changes, click Save, and in the menu, choose 2D or 3D floor plans, and then Generate to update the floor plans. It's that easy. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.